In this video, I will show you how to install the Buying Buddy plugin on your Duda website. You will find all the instructions that you need in your Buying Buddy account. Go to Widgets, then Installation and Setup. Make sure that the website type is shown as Duda. To see widgets when you are working in the website editor or when you preview, the editor and preview domains also need to be added to your account. Please submit a help ticket with details if this is required. In the tab for Google Map key, this API key is required for any widget display that uses a map. Map displays will show Google's warning message until you add your map key. If this website is live or public, see the instructions for getting a map key. Next, in the Add Plugin tab, copy the plugin JavaScript to your clipboard. In your Duda editor, go to SEO and Settings, then Head HTML. Paste the JavaScript into the header section and save. The plugin is now installed. Next, go to any page and add the MLS disclaimer widget to the footer in a new HTML widget block. Copy the disclaimer widget code from the Add Plugin panel and paste into the HTML widget in the footer, then update. This will place the mandatory IDX disclaimers at the very bottom of every page instead of right underneath each widget. To see widgets in the editor, you will need to reload the browser. Next, add two special pages. These will be the foundation pages that are used by Buying Buddy. When you add each page, set the page URL and hide it from navigation. One is to show the search results, and the other will be to show listing details. For each page, go back to your Buying Buddy account, and in the Installation Foundation Page tab, check that the page address matches the page URL you just created and copy the widget to your clipboard. In the Duda editor, add an HTML widget to the row. Paste the Buying Buddy widget shortcode you copied earlier into the HTML content and update. Repeat this for both pages. It's very important that both pages are published with the correct widget and page URL slugs match the website settings in your Buying Buddy account. At this time, you should add a search form widget to any other page. Copy the search form widget from the bottom of the Foundation Page tab and add to a different page, for example, your home page. Now you can preview your site and see the search working. To see the actual property page address, click Link to view a property on a page of its own. When widgets load, they will fill the containing space. We recommend making the search results and listing details rows full bleed for the most impressive presentation. Remember that until you receive an IDX license from your MLS, the widgets will display listings from the demonstration data feed. When IDX is approved, the widgets will automatically change to show MLS data instead. The last step is for social sharing. Setting this option will ensure that properties shared on social media such as Facebook show the correct listing photo and details. Now installation is complete, you can add more widgets using the wizard that will guide you through customization options, or use the grab-and-go widgets for many common scenarios. If you need to adjust colors, then go to Widgets, then Website Options to review and change the theme. Find more help and information on our support site.